my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you the operating system February and March 2026 solved question paper. So as you can see here, this is like a unit 1, define operating systems and write about the various operating system services. So this is the I have took all the questions from the question paper and I wrote here with the answers. So you can find this and you can learn very easily using this PDF. I will give it in the description box. So you can find that from there, okay, and share it to your friends so that they can also have the advantage of this PDF. So this is MCA second semester operating systems question paper. So this is in define operating system first question. So like in operating system, we have different process like services like program creation, program execution, IO operations, file system manipulation, communication, and memory management, resource allocation, accounting, protection, and security. So operating system in our system. Operating system, that means it works for different things in our system. Okay. So now the second question that is right about the regular expression grep AWK with examples. Now regular expression, I hope you know that is used for searching the string in our file. So okay, so there are different commands in the grep and AWK in the operating system, so you have to learn that also. I have one video in that there are different Unix commands as well as the grep commands video, so you can find that video and you can learn the grep command from there. It will be very useful and easy for you to write in the exam. So do watch that video. So now this is the second define process and the process communication and write about the IPs in the shared memory system. So see, this is about the process, and then we have the diagram. So using diagrams, you can easily cover up your sheet very soon and in a very good method, very good way. You can like express about the answers in your exam. Okay. So this is define multi-threading and write about multi-threading module. Each and every question that consists 7 marks or more than 7 marks because like we are having 10 questions in our exam like this. Okay. This is unit 2, define memory, write about the address binding and the logical versus physical address space. So see, in the table, I am showing the logical address as well as physical address, both the differences here. Next is define contiguous memory allocation and write about the memory protection and the memory allocation. This is contiguous memory allocation, fixed partition and scheme. This is memory allocation and this is diagram for that. And then later a little bit about that because that's a mark that is not less. That's why we have to write a little bit more about the answers. So in all, we are having to write about segmentation with the tagging. Next, we are having the define demand tagging. What do you mean by demand tagging? Just answer this question inside the comment box. Okay. So demand tagging, that means on demand the process will come inside the main memory. Okay. So when we need it, it will come only that time. It won't come before that. Now next that is define file about file attributes and file operations. As you know that file operation, that means we can read the file, we can write the data in that file, we can edit the data, append, we can delete, we can rename, copy, move, everything we can do with the files. This is just the most easy question. And about the file like attributes, like we can have the file name, file size, and file type, and location, and everything. Now there are the file access methods. Like we have the sequential access method, we have the direct access method, and the sequential method also. Okay, so see, I am showing here with the help of the diagram also, so you can just explain with the diagram. Next, we have the explain various directive structure, mass storage structures. Okay, so see, the diagrams I'm showing everything here, so you can just learn the diagrams as well as the date, as well as the video also, the data. Next is define protection, write about the goals and the principles of the protection. What is mean by protection? Answer this inside the comment box. I will give some questions also in middle, so just you try to answer that question. It will be easy. And I will get to know how many of you have watching my videos properly. Okay, this is the domain protection. See, this is association between the process and the domain, like fixed or static and changing or dynamic. This defines security problem. I didn't have the time for doing the proper formatting the PDF, so don't worry about that. You just learn for your exams using this PDF, okay? So we for operating the system. Write about the program threads and the cryptography. please at least watch 2 or 3 minutes my videos. My videos, even if you will watch the videos full, that